How to transfer a copy of your information on your Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer your information on your Facebook Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it, and now click on your profile, scroll down and click on account setting. Scroll down and you're gonna find transfer a copy of your information, and here you can copy your photos, videos, posts, or their information to another service. And this is it. Click on it and they're gonna give you all your information. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video or if it was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like.